reviewed by Sky Champion, exclusively on Powamoto. Introducing the Ruroc 3.0 Reaper helmet. Hey guys, this Ruroc 3.0 Reaper helmet is a unique design, state of the art in its artistry like you've never seen before. Check out the bridge on the nose and the growling mouth image. That is special and different than all the other helmets out there, guys. If you're gonna get something to protect yourself, why not go with the best quality, best features? Check it out, it's super lightweight. That means on the long road, you're not gonna be weighed down and feel burned out. You're gonna be able to go further distance with this helmet and looking cool too. Check out the magnetic strap attachment. No double D-ring like your old ordinary helmet. The magnetic straps are easy to remove and install with gloves or no gloves. And there it is again. Emergency pull tabs, extremely important. If you were to go down, anybody could remove the outside shell safely from the cushioning surrounding your skull. So this is a much improved quality design on the interior from the Ruroc 2.0 because some people were saying the interior was a little bit on the lower grade quality. Not so with the 3.0, guys. This also comes with a shockwave device. That means you're getting Bluetooth, you're getting headphones, all built in with magnets to the rear of the helmet, not attached on the side like my old-fashioned helmet. The pavilion features a connection with other Ruroc riders. You even have a really cool, nice logo of the Ruroc emblem on the back. It's got a kick-ass spoiler, because you know when you're slicing through the wind, that spoiler is going to defer wind away and it's really race-ready. It's got easy-to-take off shields. They're $60 each. They're not cheap. But that gives you a multitude of color options to customize your Ruroc 3.0 Reaper helmet the way you see fit. So if you're into really unique designs, upgrades, if you're the kind of person that likes to wear a nice watch or have expensive or designer shades for not a lot of price, this helmet, in my opinion, guys, with its unique design, lightweight, and amazing features, is certainly well worth over $700. You can get it with all that for a lot less. Check it out today. The Ruroc 3.0 Reaper helmet, premiered and reviewed only on Powamoto. Subscribe today.